So let's talk about normalcy. I mean, we've been living such hectic lives. The world has been upside down in more ways than one. When can we get back to some sense of normalcy?
The human mind and we as a species, we are super resilient. And even though we can't imagine it right now, what's going to happen is there's going to be a gradual ramp up. Now, in the beginning, as we start to socialize more, as the world starts to open up more, people are going to have anxiety. Know that that is normal, but
Mm.
we are going to get through this. I know we talk about it all the time, Dr. Ian, but we will. We are going to get back that sense of normalcy, but you have to challenge yourself to gradually get back out into the world and just appreciate the fact that everybody else is feeling the same. And so at least we're all in it together.
Dr. Judy, this is such great advice, especially the part about understanding that when we re enter the world, because we will, that you may be anxious, and that's completely normal to be anxious. Don't let it stop you from going back, doing the things you were doing before. So just be aware of it so you know that it may happen, but you're still kind of pushed through it. So, Dr. Judy, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Dr. Ian.